How to posture break. Three different methods. Ay, basta bahala na. Ano sinasabi niya? Okay. I'm friendly niya. Holy shit. Ay, oh, good luck, he said. Posture break. Ay, posture break. Posture break. Mm-hmm. I see, I see. Posture break. Posture break. Posture break. Posture break. Why is he hold M1? Shit, gumagana yung technique niya. Ay, nako. Mhm. Sinalo niya like a good boy. Mhm. Posture break. Oops. Oh my god, hindi niya binibitawan M1 niya. Posture break. Okay. Oops. Mm. GG. Dapat ako nagsabi sa'yo ng good luck.